Welcome to Pentaho's Big Data Template of the Week. In this session, a small product-based company with U.S. regional offices blends social data with other key data sources to better understand the risks of poor customer support. We're going to mash up social sentiment data from Twitter with data from other parts of the company. The Twitter data was pulled as a filtered data set and includes demographic details like user, location, and clout, along with sentiment score for specific tweets. A clout score measures an author's influence in the online community, while the sentiment score measures a post's positive or negative impact. With two input values, clout and sentiment, we calculate a simple value to indicate a positive, negative, or neutral tweet, creating simple reporting and analysis measures for our business users who are not data scientists to easily make sense of the data. Social media data is important to our company, but we need to understand how that sentiment reflects on our business, so we are including data from several internal applications. The first, accounting system, providing details about past sales by customer. Two, a CRM system providing customer demographics like vertical. And three, our customer support system, which shows how well we're performing in our support functions. To get started, I click on Create New from the Instaview launch window. Then I choose the Twitter customer support icon and launch the template. Instaview locates the Twitter data stored on HDFS in our Hadoop cluster and simultaneously issues an intelligent query that pulls the corporate data at the same time. Instaview automatically generates a semantic model and places the data into an in-memory cache and launches Pentaho's data discovery and visualization environment. On the left, you'll find measures and attributes that Instaview automatically created. I'm most interested in the general sentiment delivered through our filtered connection to Twitter. I double-click on negative and see that 39 tweets have a negative sentiment. Double-clicking on positive and neutral helps understand the magnitude of the sentiment. To better understand where the sentiment is coming from, I pull in sales and vertical to see if the negativity is limited to a particular type of business. By switching this grid to a heat map, we see that the negative sentiment is heaviest in healthcare and CPG, which it seems the cause of the negativity is probably not related to a specific vertical. I bring in product and drop it in the y-axis. Riser is the product that has the most negative postings. However, that's also our largest product, so not a surprise, but confirms it's not one of our other products driving negativity. I change the visualization to a chord chart to show linkages between products and verticals based on negative postings. I change back to a grid and remove negative and sales. I double-click on sales forecast and change the metadata on the fly, showing how users can control their view exactly how they want. Now I drop territory below vertical, giving an added dimension to the chart. Clearly, Riser in the East is my greatest forecast opportunity. I remove vertical and sales forecast and switch the chart to a column line combo chart. I'll put sales forecast in the measures line area and add support calls. I see calls by territory and product are about equal. Next, I add calls in queue. I switch to the grid view and remove sales forecast and move days to close to the left. I switch back to the chord chart. I see that it takes too long in the East region to close support cases. I may have a training issue, so I can decide to have a conversation highlighting the forecast sales at risk with the customer support team in the East. This lets me determine the best actions to improve the process and reduce the risk of forecasts not converting to sales. In this short demonstration, we have seen how social media data can be combined easily in Pentaho's Instaview to provide big data discovery to any user, eliminating the need for scarce resources and increasing the value in big data assets. For more information about the powerful Pentaho platform and to learn more about Instaview and the templates of the week, please contact us at pentaho.com.